that will be releasing. What the freak? Why? I'm filming. Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a swatch video for you on these new releases from Sassy Sauce Polish. Carrie from Sassy Sauce Polish sent me her new polishes. I will have, of course, everything linked for you in the description box, so feel free to check it out. And today I will show you a live swatch on my natural nails, showcasing all of these 4 polishes. As you can see, they are quite purple and blue heavy, but I won't complain because, as you guys know, purple polishes are my absolute favorite, and I do have to say that they are absolutely gorgeous. My favorite is this teal blue one called Kendra Cot. I never remember the name, sorry. And yeah, they are all absolutely stunning, and I would highly recommend you all of them. Also, Carrie has good news for us. She will be changing up the brushes for her polishes, so even the old polishes, with your new order you will receive a replacement brush which will be a little bit wider, and I do enjoy wider polishes, so I am very excited to see the brush that she will be offering in her polishes going forward. If you enjoy live swatch videos, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also hit the subscribe button. As you can see, I have been swatching some awesome collections lately, so if you don't want to miss out on any of the future ones, then definitely hit the subscribe button as well. I will jump onto the swatch portion, but if you do have any questions, comments, leave them for me in the comment section. As I mentioned, I will link for you everything in the description box, and I can highly recommend you these polishes or any polishes from Carrie. In general, her polishes are really good. You won't be definitely disappointed. Alright guys, so keep watching the swatch portion of my video. Thank you so much guys for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.